Hello viewers, in this video you will have a clear understanding of how to export your audience data from Mailchimp in various scenarios, helping you manage your email marketing efforts more effectively. Let's get started. Scenario 1, exporting the entire audience. For that we need to click here audience, then we need to click on all contacts, select all 467. All contacts at this moment are selected. Now we need to select here export audience, then we need to confirm export. So Mailchimp will prepare the export file. You will receive an email with a download link, or you can download it directly from the export page, or Mailchimp will be provide you this kind of notification. So if you look here, Mailchimp already sent us an email. So if we click here download list, the file will be downloaded here. So scenario 2, exporting subscribe contacts only. So for that we need to create a new segment. Then we need to choose here email subscription status. Whoever only subscribe, we need to select here. So if we click here preview mode, only 395 contacts are listed as a subscriber. So if we export segment here, if we confirm now, so only whoever are subscribed as a our list, their data will be downloaded. So we will get a email soon. Here you can see we already get a email. So this way you can export whoever is listed as a subscriber. Then you can also change the condition, and if you want to export whoever unsubscribe, you can select this one, or if you want to export them as a combine, you can choose this too. So I just remove it, whoever unsubscribe I want to export them. For that this condition will be perfect. Now we need to click here preview segment. So whoever are unsubscribed, you can see their data. 72 contacts are unsubscribed. So what we can do, if we click here export segment and confirm, so again the data will be downloaded, or you will get an email, or you will see a notification there. Scenario 3, exporting contacts with a specific tag. So if you remember previous video, we are talking about tags, how we can create tag. So if we want to export only this tag sample3 data, how we can do that? For that we need to click here this icon, then we need to click here export as a CSV, so the audience will be downloaded. This is simple. Scenario number 4, how we can export our active audience. For that we need to create a segment, then we need to choose here email interaction. Whoever open our any of email we sent last 20 email campaigns, whoever open, we want to select them as our active audience. If we click here preview segment, this is the people data you can see on screen right now. The total number is 2438. These are our active audience who are regularly open our email, so we can export them. I am not exported. Basically if I export it, buyer will be get an email. Okay, so now we are going to learn how you can export whoever purchases from you more than 3 times. For that again you need to create a new segment, and you need to choose here purchase activity has purchase, add filter, total number of order is more than 3, and so if we preview here, you can see these people are purchased more than 3 products all over the time from us. This way you can make lots of condition, what you want to filter them, you can filter them everything, and how you want to export your data you can choose from their condition wise. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any question or run into any issue, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.